Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWhat Solutions, and a very common question for those that are starting to paper trade, which I think is the best way on how to get started. For those that are not familiar with what paper trading is, feel free to go on the YouTube search bar and search up paper trading or simulation trading. So what that means is that you start investing with fake money. Why is that so effective and so important? There's such a low success rate when it comes down to investing in the stock market, and obviously there's no question that it is risky, right? But with that being said, it is very rewarding. It could be a very lucrative market. So now the question for all those that are already paper trading, and the reason that I'm making this video is because a member within our Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library, the live stream that we host every single day, we had a question today. And it's, Ricky, I've been paper trading and I've been consistently growing my account. Do you think I'm ready to start trading with real money? And this is a question that a lot of you should be asking yourself. And if you're not, then you probably should, when you're going to be ready to start trading with real money. I want to share three simple tips, three simple self-realization tips that you can just observe from yourself. First one, when do you think that you're ready to start paper trading? When it comes down to again, the whole reason that you're paper trading, so to ask yourself this question backward, is because you don't want to lose money with real money, right? So you're doing the simulation trading to practice everything that you're learning. The number one thing is you need to be consistently growing your account. Just ask yourself, have you been consistently growing your account on a consistent basis, both staying green and managing risk, keeping your losses small and keeping your profits much greater? Again, that's so important. How long should you do this? This goes to step number 2. So many people can get lucky. Oh, I need to stop using the quotation things. I saw one of the comments in the last video, so no more quotes. So many people get so lucky when it comes down to, as they're just getting started, some of the positions that they might be taking, it's luck. There's no question about it. What you want to ask yourself is, do I actually understand the growth that I'm experiencing and the positions that I'm taking? You guys are all intelligent and able people. So with that being said, it makes sense on why not to only make sense that of growing your account on a consistent basis, but to ask yourself, do you understand the growth and the actions that you are taking that are leading to that growth? So if you get lucky on a penny stock or a pump and dump and you make 50%, does that mean that you are ready to start trading with fake money? Start trading with real money because you're able to do that with fake money? No. Even if you're able to do that consistently, if you're getting lucky, then it makes no sense. Again, consistently growing your account, like being able to make sense of every action that you take. And the last thing is confidence. This is what I would do. So you know that you have to consistently grow your account. For some of you, it might be a couple months of consistently growing your account and refining yourself as a better trader. And on the back end, you want to make sure that you understand what it is that you're doing, the reason, right? The last thing is you are going to be trading with real money. And there are a series of emotions that come with trading with real money. So the way that I would make a fluid transition from with fake money to real money is to understand that the monetary aspect is what usually holds a lot of people back. I apologize. So by understanding that, okay, I need to consistently grow my account and understand everything it is that I'm doing when it comes down to the growth that I'm experiencing. And I also want to make sure that I am confident enough to trade with real money. And it takes time. You know how long it takes for you to learn all these concepts and consistently grow your account and manage risk, learn from your mistakes and stuff like that? The same thing is going to happen. There's going to be a whole other learning curve when it comes down to learning how to trade with real money, because you're actually going to have some skin in the game. And the way that I would do that is the one share test buy. Meaning that you buy one share of whatever it is that you're investing in just to simply test it out. Obviously, this would be ideal with non-commissionable platforms, making sure that you don't have to pay commission and that you're just doing the one share test buy just to make sure that you can consistently grow your account with real money, and then continuously add on the back end, easily ease into the idea of maybe investing with a little bit more as time goes on. So once you consistently grow your account, and again, you're becoming more confident with that one share test buy, so just buying one share of whatever it is that you see value in just to test out the market, then maybe doing 10% of your account, maybe 50% of your account. It's a process. And the last thing that I want to say is those that provide the most structure, those that are the most patient, those that are the most disciplined. Yes, it takes more time for you to get to point A to point B, but because you're so structured, because you're so selective, and because you're so patient, at the end of the day, you will be better off than the average person who aggressively takes on the market. Regardless of all the success stories that you see online of these people that are experiencing 50, 100% growth per trade, that's irrelevant. The majority of them will not be here, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years down the road. And it's because they approach it in such an aggressive way that they will make it or break it. And a majority of them, when it comes down to the statistics, they will break. So again, all I want you to ask yourself is, are you here to invest just for today? Or are you here to do this for the rest of your life? And if you're wanting to do this for the rest of your life, then you need to make sure that you understand that it takes time, that you're going to need structure, you're going to need discipline, and you need to be consistent. And the more that you ease your way into this, the better and more fluid of a transition from paper trading to real trading it will become. That's it. So I want to thank you guys absolutely for everything it is that you guys do. I have a bunch of videos on YouTube. I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you all for 400,000 subscribers. Truly blessed. We're now officially the largest YouTube channel for those who invest in the stock market. I can't thank you guys enough. We run the largest private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. That's that third link down in the description. It's free. It's TechBud Solutions, and we have a free group chat once you get accepted as well. Also, I do want to let you guys know that, again, the giveaway for the Learn, Plan, Profit Lesson Library, all you have to do is enroll by this Saturday, November 10th. We'll be announcing one winner, and that's going to be for $500 and a new laptop. If you guys want to watch me trade live every single morning, this week alone, I already hit my weekly $2,500 profit within the first 3 days of trading. Yesterday was over $912 profit. The day before was over $1,100, and the day before that was $475. Again, keeping it super simple. Let's keep it simple, let's lock in those profits, and let's only invest in what we understand. One of the best things that you can do is not take a position, especially if you know that it's not going to benefit your future. Guys, I hope that this video guided you in the right direction. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. All the links are down below if you guys want to learn more about how to watch me trade live and work with me on a closer basis. Please invest 30 seconds, click that first link down in the description, and I would love the opportunity to be a part of your success. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success, and like always, have a happy Thursday, and let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care.